Welcome dear friends, in this video we will solve MCQs-based preliminary test for CSS 2025 conducted by FPSC on 17 November 2024. For x greater than 0, what is the value of x power 1 over 2 multiplied by x power minus 1 over 2? 1. Because x power 1 over 2 multiplied by x power minus 1 over 2 equals to x power 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, which becomes x power 0, and everything to the power of 0 equals 1. Which word is best antonym of lethargy? Vitality. Alcohol and water are mixed in the ratio 12:5. After 14 liters of water are added, the ratio becomes 4:3. How much alcohol is originally present? 42 liters. Let the original amounts be alcohol equal to 12x liters and water equals to 5x liters. After adding 14 liters, the equation will become 12x over 5x plus 14 equals 4:3 because the ratio changes to 4:3. By solving it, x equals to 3.5. So 12x equals to 12 multiplied by 3.5, which equals 42 liters. What does the expression a red herring mean? A misleading distraction from the real issue. Which revision most clearly corrects the original sentence about Baudrillard? Simulation is Baudrillard's main concern. Even democracy depends on exhibition and media manipulation, while authoritarianism is also part of the spectacle. Which sentence is most concise and correctly punctuated? Option C. I love reading books, and I also love watching movies. Which sentence is punctuated and coordinated correctly? Option D. I went to the store and bought milk, but I forgot to buy eggs. What does verisimilitude mean? The appearance of being true or real. Which sentence uses demonstrative pronouns correctly? Option D. These are the best restaurants in town, but those are too expensive. Choose the correct prepositions. The historian wrote dash the frequency of natural disasters dash the Yuan dynasty. The historian wrote about the frequency of natural disasters in the Yuan dynasty. The sum of 10 values in a data set is 10. What is their arithmetic mean? 1. Mean equal to total sum divided by number of values. So total sum is 10 and number of values 10. So 10 by 10 equal 1. Which sequence is grammatically correct and clearly expressed? Option D. Dalit literature upholds the idea that resistance cannot be achieved through words alone, while the struggle for equality remains a significant quest of the human spirit. What does it mean to draw a line in the sand? Establish a firm limit that must not be crossed. What does the expression the sum and substance mean? The essential point or summary. What is a sobriquet? A nickname or by name. Choose the correct prepositions. The politicians conduct wreak dash opportunism, causing supporters to lose faith dash his leadership. Reeked of opportunism, lose faith in his leadership. Which option is the best opposite of a bastion understood as a place of strong protection? A vulnerable position. Ali was 40 years old when his son Asim was born. How old was Ali when he was 5 times as old as Asim? 50 years. हम इज़्यूम करते हैं कि अली का जो बेटा है आसिम, उसका जो उम्र है x ईयर्स है, मतलब x ईयर्स के उम्र में उसके जो अब्बू का उम्र है उससे 5 टाइम्स बड़ा है. तो हमारे साथ इक्वेशन कुछ इस तरह से बनेगा कि अली का उस टाइम पर उम्र जो होगा वो x + 40 होगा. तो x + 40 हमारे साथ बराबर होगा 5x का. तो अगर हम x के लिए इसको सॉल्व करें तो x हमारे साथ आ जाएगा 10. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जब अली का उम्र 50 ईयर्स होगा तो आसिम का उम्र 10 ईयर्स होगा और अली आसिम से 5 गुना एज में ज़्यादा होगा। The product of two consecutive positive integers is 12 more than 12 times their sum. What is the smaller integer? 24. हम एज्यूम करते हैं कि जो कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स है वो n और n+1 है। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द इक्वेशन अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करें तो n इंटू n+1 यानी जब ये इंटीजर्स एक दूसरे के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए तो ये बराबर है n प्लस n, मतलब दो इंटीजर्स को जब हम ऐड करेंगे n प्लस n+1 करेंगे, इसको 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करें और फिर 12 से ऐड कर देंगे तो ये दोनों बराबर हो जाएंगे। तो इस तरह के इक्वेशन को जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो n हमारे पास आएगा 24। What is the principal square root of -25 in the complex number system? 5 iota। अब हमारे पास जो नंबर दिया गया है दैट इज -25। अगर सिर्फ 25 होता तो आसान होता हमारे लिए कि 5 इसका स्क्वायर रूट है, लेकिन चूंकि नंबर नेगेटिव है तो ये एक कम्प्लेक्स नंबर बन जाता है। तो नेगेटिव नंबर के जब हम स्क्वायर रूट लेते हैं तो 25 का स्क्वायर रूट तो 5 है, लेकिन इसके साथ नेगेटिव है -1 है। अब -1 का जब हम स्क्वायर रूट लेते हैं तो वो बराबर होता है आयोटा का, तो इसी वजह से हमारे पास इसका स्क्वायर रूट आया 5 आयोटा। Which verb is the best antonym of leonize? Vilify. What does the idiom spill the beans mean? Reveal a secret. Which option is the closest opposite of melange? Uniformity. What does the instruction bite your tongue mean? Stop yourself from saying something. Which sentence correctly uses a compound adjective? The teacher gave us many hard to solve problems. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.